Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from mksenglish.com. I'm Mark, your host. If you work in an office or want to sound more natural at work, today's episode is for you. We're going to look at 10 must know phrasal verbs that native speakers use every day in meetings, emails, and conversations at work. Listen carefully and try to notice how these phrasal verbs are used in real office situations. Let's get started. Follow up. To check on something after it was discussed or requested. I'll follow up with you by email after the meeting. A situation would be that your boss asks for a report. 2 days later, he or she sends you a message to follow up and see if it's ready. Carry out. To do or complete a task or plan. The team will carry out the new strategy next month. This phrasal verb sounds professional and is very common in business presentations. Set up. To arrange or organize something. Let's set up a meeting for Thursday afternoon. For example, you set up a video call with a client in another country. Run by. Meaning to show or explain something to someone for approval or feedback. I'll run this idea by my manager first. This is very common in casual or office conversations. Take over. To begin controlling or managing something. She will take over this project while John is on vacation. Imagine a new manager takes over and a team adjusts to their style. Point out. To mention or draw attention to something important. He pointed out a mistake in the report. This can sound polite or direct depending on your tone. Work on. To spend time trying to improve or complete something. I'm working on the budget right now. Imagine working on a presentation for next week's meeting. Bring up. To start talking about a topic. She brought up the issue during the meeting. Use this when a topic appears suddenly in conversation. Look into. To investigate or find more information. I'll look into the problem and get back to you. A customer complains and you promise to look into it. And lastly, wrap up. To finish or conclude something. Let's wrap up this meeting. This is very common at the end of meetings and presentations. Okay, so let's quickly review. Listen and repeat in your head. Follow up. Follow up. Carry out. Carry out. Set up. Set up. Run by. Run by. Take over. Take over. Point out. Point out. Work on. Work on. Bring up. Bring up. Look into. Look into. Wrap up. Wrap up. Which one of these do you already use at work? Using phrasal verbs correctly can make your English sound more natural and confident at work. If you want more business English lessons like this, visit mksenglish.com for blogs, self-study lessons, and also personal one-on-one online lessons. Thanks for listening. See you next time, and keep improving your English one conversation at a time.